Welcome back to Universe Secrets. Today we stand on the brink of a discovery that could forever change our understanding of life. For generations, humanity has looked up at the red planet, wondering if we are truly alone in this vast and silent cosmos. NASA's Perseverance rover has been tirelessly exploring the Jezero Crater, searching for ancient signs of microscopic life hidden in the rocks. This desolate landscape was once a flowing river delta, a place where water and potential life could have thrived billions of years ago. Recently, the rover encountered a specific rock named Sapphire Canyon, which contains the most promising biosignatures we have ever seen on Mars. This is not just another rock. It holds a secret pattern that has stunned scientists and geologists back on Earth. To understand its secrets, Perseverance used its abrasion tool to grind away the weathered surface, revealing the pristine rock hidden underneath. What they found inside were distinct dark spots surrounded by white halos, a pattern that instantly excited the entire scientific team. These formations are incredibly similar to what we call leopard spots on Earth, which are often direct evidence of ancient microbial life. On our planet, these spots form when microbes chemically alter the rock to extract energy, leaving behind a permanent visual record. The discovery of these leopard spots on Mars is the strongest visual hint yet that biology might have been at work here. But visual similarity is not enough. The rover used its advanced instruments to analyze the chemical composition of these mysterious features. The analysis confirmed the presence of organic carbon, iron, and phosphate, which are the essential building blocks for life as we know it. These chemical signatures suggest that reactions occurred here that could have provided a vital energy source for ancient Martian microbes. Crucially, the instruments detected specific minerals like Vivianite and greigite, which are rarely found without the influence of biological processes. On Earth, Vivianite typically forms when organic matter decays in distinct environments, serving as a massive clue for past biological activity. This combination of visual spots and specific chemical evidence has led the science team to rule out many non-biological explanations. Could high heat have created these spots? Scientists say no, because the delicate minerals found would have been destroyed by such temperatures. Could it be strong acid? Again, unlikely. The specific minerals identified in the sample are too fragile to survive in highly acidic conditions. This leaves us with the most exciting possibility. These features formed in a mild, watery environment that was habitable for life. The complexity of the chemistry and the specific arrangement of the rings point towards a biological origin rather than random geology. Recognizing the immense value of this rock, Perseverance has successfully drilled and stored a core sample in a hermetically sealed titanium tube. This sample tube now contains perhaps the most valuable geological material ever collected in the history of space exploration. However, despite the overwhelming evidence gathered by the rover, we cannot yet claim with 100% certainty that we found life. The instruments on Perseverance are incredible, but they are limited by the size and power constraints of a mobile robot explorer. To confirm this discovery, we need the full power of terrestrial laboratories, equipped with massive synchrotrons and atomic scale analysis tools. This is why the Mars Sample Return mission is the critical next step in our quest to understand the red planet. The plan involves launching a rocket from the surface of Mars to carry these precious samples into orbit for retrieval. Once captured by an orbiter, the samples will travel millions of miles back to Earth, where they will be opened with extreme caution. If these samples confirm the biological origin of the leopard spots, it will be the most significant scientific discovery in human history. It would prove that life is not unique to Earth and that the universe is likely teeming with biological potential. The Sapphire Canyon rock sits there on Mars, holding its secrets, waiting for us to bring it home and unlock the truth. Until then, the Perseverance rover continues its lonely vigil, guarding the evidence that might finally tell us where we came from. We must remember that Mars was not always a frozen desert. It was once a blue world, very much like our own. In those ancient waters, chemistry may have crossed the threshold into biology, sparking a flame of life that lasted for eons. As the planet dried up and lost its atmosphere, that life would have clung to existence in the last remaining wet oases. The leopard spots we see today might be the fossilized remains of that last stand, a desperate survival attempt by ancient microbes.
Look
The
at this
presence of
peak.
sulfur,
The
alongside the
concentration is
organic
far
carbon,
exceeding the
further
threshold.
strengthens the
And
case,
the crystal
as
growth
sulfur is a
stimulation
key element in
confirms the
biological energy
acceleration.
cycles. These minerals have the amazing ability to trap water and organic molecules within their crystal structure, preserving them for billions of years. Geologists compare these findings to stromatolites on Earth, which are the oldest known fossils created by the activity of cyanobacteria. Every bit of data sent back by Perseverance adds another piece to the puzzle, building a picture that is becoming impossible to ignore. Imagine the moment when we finally open that sample tube and confirm that the DNA or RNA inside is not from Earth. Such a discovery would unify humanity in a shared sense of wonder, realizing that life is a cosmic imperative, not an accident. But for now, we must be patient. The rover continues its work, battling dust storms and radiation to secure our future knowledge. Perseverance is now moving towards the crater rim, where even older rocks might hold further clues to the planet's watery past. The wheels show signs of wear, but the mission is far from over. Each meter traveled brings us closer to the ultimate answer. It will likely be the next generation of scientists and engineers who will have the privilege of analyzing these samples in person. Advanced technology and artificial intelligence will play a crucial role in decoding the complex chemical messages hidden within the Martian stone. Mars and Earth are planetary siblings. Understanding the fate of life on Mars helps us understand the fragility of life on Earth. The dead landscape of Jezero Crater serves as a stark reminder of how planetary climates can shift and how precious our biosphere is. Yet, the discovery of the leopard spots gives us hope. It suggests that life is stubborn and can emerge wherever conditions allow. One day, human explorers will stand in Jezero Crater, looking at the very rocks that Perseverance is studying for us today. They will continue the search, equipped with human intuition and capable of making discoveries that no robot could ever achieve alone. As the sun sets over Sapphire Canyon, the rocks cast long shadows, hiding their secrets for just a little while longer. Leopard spots, organic carbon, iron, phosphate, and Vivianite. The evidence is mounting, and the conclusion is becoming harder to deny. We are standing on the precipice of answering the most profound question ever asked by our species. Are we alone in the universe? The answer lies inside a titanium tube, traveling through the void, waiting to reveal the cosmic heritage of our solar system. This discovery is not just for scientists, it is for every child who has ever looked up at the stars and dreamed.
That's one small step
From the
for
first
man,
telescope to the
one
Perseverance
giant leap
rover,
for
our journey
mankind.
has been driven by an insatiable curiosity to know the unknown. The leopard spots of Sapphire Canyon may well be the final piece of the puzzle that proves life is a universal phenomenon. If you want to stay updated on the analysis of these samples and other cosmic mysteries, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through space and time. We will see you in the next video. This is Universe Secrets, reminding you to always keep looking up, for the truth is out there waiting to be found.